Okay, it's a pretty quiet morning at the end of cherry blossom season. We're about to do the inaugural first mow of the grass. It's nice and long, looks lush. It's already had a power raking a few weeks ago, and it responded well to that. Now it's just growing like stink. So, we're gonna try out the new certified mower. I'll just put this down here. So this is the first time I've owned the certified self-propelled gas mower. It's a handsome machine. I wish the name was as nice. Stupid name, please change it. Boring, just forgettable. And the only thing I can associate with it is insanity. You know, certified, kind of crazy. Just a couple things about mowing before we get started. WD-40 is your friend underneath the mower. Get that mower pen. Nice and slick, like a walk. Alright, that's nice. Okay, then make sure it's nice and gassed up. Probably got 2 hours of mowing to do this morning. Luckily I've got very nice results, so I can transport myself somewhere else. Okay, just screw on the spout here. Hopefully this thing won't leak. Into something else. Don't tell the passers-by. One of the things I neglected to mention about cherry blossom season, it's a good idea to use the blower and blow all the cherry blossoms onto the lawn before you mow. 2 birds, 1 mower. Certified. Oh yeah, one thing about the certified self-propelled mower that I did not realize before I purchased it. Instead of front-wheel drive, it's rear-wheel drive, which sounds better, but the nice thing about front-wheel drive is when you want to disengage the motor, all you have to do is tilt it back like that, and the wheels no longer bite into the grass, which you can't do with rear-wheel propelled mower, because if you tip it back, this is going to bite in even harder. So I think it's probably just something I have to get used to, or it could be super annoying. I'll let you know. Okay, let's try this first mow, and I'll get back to you after it's done. Oh, you probably want to see it get started. Okay. So this has no choke. It's at level 2, which only has one handle to change the height of the entire thing, which is like deluxe. I've never seen that before. Usually it's like 4 handles. Okay, and the other thing is it's really ergonomically designed to hold. All the bars are nice, kind of sculpted. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Gas tunes on. dragging me around. It's a powerful mower. It's got some guts. I gotta get used to those rear wheels. I'm sure there's a technique I probably have to read in the manual for not being whipped around the corner. Anyway, it's almost, we should be paying for this ride. Alright, till next time.